Hello, welcome back, my amazing Dinka language learners. Merry Christmas to all of you. Today, let us learn 102 singular and plurals in Dinka language. So, let us begin from number one. Rui, Rui mean maggots. Roy, Roy, maggot. Abo, Abo, maize. Abeb, Abeb, maize. Maize. This plural. Ko, ko, thorn. Quab, quab, quab mean thorns. Jong, jong, dog. Jog, 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 jog. Dogs. Pow, pow, art. Pot, pop, arts. Ariop, ariop, reward. Ariop, ariop, rewards. Ruan, ruan, year. Run, run, years, years. Cow, cow, seed. Cot, cot, seeds. Tial, tial, shell spoon. Tiet, tiet, shell spoons is plural. Luck, luck, cow buyer, cow buyer. Luek, luek, cow buyers, cow buyers. Chuar, chuar, tip. Chuer, chuer, chuer. Tips, tips. Riai, riai. Canoe or boat. Riet, riet, riai, riet or riai. Boats, plural. Rak, lulo tree. War, war, war mean river. Where, rivers. Rivers mean where. Alley, alley, alley mean stranger. Stranger or enemy. Alley, alley, alley mean enemies or strangers. Wing, wing, cow. Wang, wang or hawk. Hawk, cows or cattle. Mip, mip, child. Meet, meet, children. Akeu, akeu, boundary. Akep, aket, aket mean boundaries. Boundaries. Atwell, atwell mean club. Atwell, atwell, atwell mean clubs. Agwak, this a agwak. Agwak mean prok, prok. Agwek, 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 agwek mean procs. That's plural. Agwek, agwak, agwek. Pay, pay, month. Pay, pay, months. Lay, lay, animal. Lie, lie, animals. Riem, riem, riem mean blood, blood. And this one, rum. Sorry guys. Rum, rum mean blood. That's plural. Kiet, kiet, kiet. Kiet mean scorpion, scorpion. The plural of kiet mean kit or kit. Kiet, kit, scorpions. Tit, tit, tit mean wizard. Tit, tit mean wizards. Niem, air. Num, airs. Num, et, et. The plural of num is neem, heads. This the heads, neem. Lich, tooth. Lich, teeth. Whoop, body. Goop, bodies. Ajip, milk guard. Ajip, mean milk guards. Ajip, Gao, Gao, town. Get, towns. Beat, spear. Toot, toot, spur goose. Toot mean spur gooses. That's plural. Dog, boy. Duck, boys. Nya, girl. Nyir, or you can say nyal, girls. That's the same. Agok, monkey. Agak, agok, or you can say agok, monkeys. That's plural. The plural of agok mean agak or agok. Akon, elephant. Akon, elephants. Wood, cattle came. What, cattle came. Tung, horn. Tung, horns. Tick, woman or wife. The plural of tick is diar, or you can say a collection of diar is called dior. Dior mean collection of women. Ball, mean rabbit. The plural of ball is bial, rabbits. Angui, mean hyena. The plural of angui is angoth, hyenas. Buy, home. Bay, homes. Run, person. The plural of run is coach, people. Agumut, mean whole. The plural of agumut is agumut, owls. Anyar, buffalo. The plural of anyar is anyer, or anyer, buffaloes. Team, mean tree. The plural of team is team, trees. Team image. Team image. Team image mean firewood. Firewood. The plural of team image is team image. Team image. Team image. Firewoods. Firewoods. Alat. Alat. Alat mean clothes. The plural of alat is alet. Alet. Alet clothes. Ajuan. Ajuan. Ajuan mean underwear. Underwear. The plural of ajuan is ajuen. Ajuen. Ajuen mean underwears. Ranchol. Ranchol. Ranchol mean black person. Black person. The plural of black person is black people. Ranchol mean kochol. 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 Black people. Ranir. 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 Ranir mean white person. White person. Ran mean person. Ir mean white. The plural of ranir is koch-ir. Koch-ir. Koch-ir mean white people. White people. Ran mean person. Ir mean white. And here the plural of ran mean koch. Koch mean people. Ir mean white. Yenakan The End by William Majak Ding. Ran Pioch Tongjang or Tongjang or Dinka language. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The name of our YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV5. Please go there and subscribe. We want more subscribers. Also watch our video, share our video to your loved one so that we can learn Dinka language together. So this is the end of our topic. The next topic is loading. Please guys follow this page. We only learn Dinka language here. We got challenge and William Majak Malegding. Dargalikawik. Bye bye.